don't worry, we're going outside. Be patient. We got a lot going on right now. So just bear with me. We'll go outside in a second. Okay? Hold on. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to another episode. It's your boy Gabe. I know it's got a lot going on right now, but we are making chicken hibachi. Yes. What? No, I'm just kidding. But yes, we are making chicken hibachi. And first, we got a lot of prep work to do because it's all going to happen really fast. And so we need to be ready to go. So let's not hesitate. Let's get started. So first things first is we need to get the marinade ready for our chicken. And we also need to cut up all of our veggies for the dish as well. So I got some zucchini and some frozen mixed veggies as kind of our veggies. Normally there's mushrooms in there, like fresh sliced mushrooms, but I is not a big fan of mushrooms. So we're just gonna do some zucchini and, like I said, some frozen mixed veggies because it's all delicious and all fantastic. But let's cut up some zucchini. Okay, we're gonna set these guys off to the side with our frozen mixed veggies. Okay, let's make the marinade for our chicken. So I have some chicken tenderloins that I bought instead of chicken breasts just because they taste better and we can still dice them up, but we're gonna leave those off to the side. And for our marinade, we need probably about a quarter cup of soy sauce, maybe even about a half cup of soy sauce, about 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, about a quarter cup, if not less, of seasoned rice vinegar or mirin, about a quarter cup of hoisin sauce, which is basically like Korean barbecue sauce, and then about 2 tablespoons of regular rice vinegar, about a tablespoon of black pepper, about a teaspoon of salt, because we already have quite a bit of salt going on in here, and then about 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. And then lastly, need roughly I'd say that's probably going to end up roughly being about a tablespoon of chopped and minced ginger. And to do that, you just take a spoon and I'm probably going to be finding pieces of ginger skin in my kitchen for a while now, but that's okay. I'm sure there's a much easier way to do that, but you know what? We got it done, so that's all that matters. And we're just gonna give that a good whisk. Okay, now we're gonna cube up our chicken and add it to our marinade. The nice thing with tenderloins is all you gotta do is just dice them up and throw them in there. And we want these to kind of be like thick dices because this is most of our meal. Kind of work that in there. Okay, then we're gonna put this in the fridge. I'm gonna clean up and we're gonna let that sit in the fridge for at least an hour and then we'll get started outside. So real quick, something I forgot that we can do while we wait on our chicken to chill in the fridge is we can make our sauce. So in my research, the sauces that I kind of found were kind of a weird like soy sauce mustard base type of sauce. We're just gonna do kind of a Sriracha Mayo. To be honest, I would rather just do that. I'm not a big fan of like Chinese mustard and whatnot, and I'm not about that life. So we're gonna do a Sriracha Mayo instead. So mayonnaise. And we're gonna go about for this. We're gonna just go about a quarter cup, a little bit of black pepper, probably about a half teaspoon, not a whole lot. Okay, and then about a tablespoon of soy sauce. Okay, and then the piece de resistance, about a quarter cup of. Oops, if you take the seal off. Okay, let's try that again. About a quarter cup of sriracha, and I lied, about a half cup of mayo. That's really good. Ooh, that's nice and spicy too. Yeah, sriracha mayo, definitely, 100%. But yeah, we're gonna set this off to the side as well. And we got a little bit more time on our chicken, but then we'll head outside and we'll hibachi it up. Please don't let me ever do that again. All right, guys, we are outside. Our griddle is hot. We've let our chicken sit for a while. So the trick to this is kind of doing things that take the longest in order. And so our chicken will go first, then our frozen veggies will go first, and then we'll do our fried rice last. Because our fried rice only takes as long as the eggs need to cook. So for the fried rice, we got leftover rice. It's been about 2 days or so is what you want to kind of aim for. Day-old rice is fine too, but you want to aim for about a day, 2 days worth of rice. Now I don't have enough here for what I need, so I got some more rice cooking inside to serve up for later, but that's a whole nother point. But like I said, I got leftover rice here, I got eggs, I got some sesame seed oil, I got soy sauce, I got pepper, and I got some garlic, and as well, so that Uncle Roger doesn't kill me, I got some MSG that we're gonna add to it. And I don't have any green onions, I'm sorry. But definitely add green onions to it once it's all done. But let's get started. Alright, so now for the fun part, we're gonna do our fried rice. Okay, now that everything's kind of done, we're gonna kind of mix everything together. So I only need about half of my veggies because I don't have a whole lot of rice. So we're just gonna take about half of our veggies and leave the rest, some of those carrots in there. We'll leave the rest over there for later. All right, so there you go. Some chicken hibachi, and then we're gonna take our Sriracha Mayo. Just gonna kind of drizzle that over the top, like so. Chicken hibachi, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give this a try. All right, we got some chicken hibachi. Let's give this a shot. Get a little bit of everything. A little bit of chicken, a little bit of veggies. Perfect. That. Cheers. Holy cow. Wow. Wow. That is amazing. Oh my goodness. That is, wow. The chicken is cooked beautifully. The fried rice is fried rice. The veggies are cooked nicely. And honestly, the spicy sriracha sauce was a bold move. But this is spectacular. I could eat a lot of this. And I've never made this before, so this is a first for everybody. But, wow, this is excellent. This is, I highly recommend this. Yeah, this is good stuff. Wow. And the chicken's got a nice char to it. Well, guys, there you have it. Chicken hibachi. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification button next to it. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Tell me what I should do next. And as always, peace out, guys.